Hey everyone, today I will show you how to change story background color on Instagram, and here's how it is done. Method 1. Using the Create tool. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app and swipe to open your camera. Make sure the story mode is selected. Tap the AA icon or the Create option from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Tap the small circle at the bottom right corner to cycle through different background colors. Once you are happy with the color, tap the shutter button to set it as your background. Tap the sticker icon at the top, choose the photo option, and select a picture from your gallery. Note, this method offers a limited selection of colors. Method 2. Custom background color. Launch Instagram. Open the camera and choose a photo from your gallery. Change the background color. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select the Draw tool. Pick a color from the palette or use the eyedropper tool to select a color from your photo. Long press anywhere on the screen, and the background will change to the selected color. Tap the sticker icon. Use the photo tool again and reselect the image from your gallery. You can repeat the draw step if you want to change the background color again after adding your photo. With these methods, you can customize your Instagram story background to make your content stand out. And that is everything you need to know about how to change story background color on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.